In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bullets in Slack-like apps using simple keyboard shortcuts. Whether you're organizing a list or highlighting key points, knowing how to add bullet points quickly can make your messages clearer and more professional. So let's dive in and explore how to do just that. First things first, make sure you're on the home page of your Slack application. From the home page, you'll want to navigate over to your channels. You can do this by simply clicking on the channel name where you want to make your bulleted list. Once you're in the right channel, look for the message editor area. It's usually where you compose any message. Now that you're in the message editor, it's time to type out your message. Simply enter the text you want to include in your list. You might want to keep your sentences short or to the point for effectiveness. Once you have your message laid out, the next step is to locate the bullet option. This is often found in the formatting bar within the message editor. When you find the bullet icon, go ahead and click on it. This action will automatically transform your selected text or line into a bulleted item. If your application doesn't display the bullet option prominently, try using keyboard shortcuts. On most systems, pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 on Windows or Command plus Shift plus 8 on a Mac will create a bullet point. As you add bullets, you have the option to stylize your message further. You can do this by adjusting the placement of the bullets and adding any additional text or formatting. Feel free to explore adding bold, italics, or even changing text colors to make your bullet points stand out. Throughout this process, you'll want to ensure your bullets are placed accordingly. For instance, if you're listing steps, make sure each step is clearly separated. This will enhance the readability and flow of your message. You can easily add or adjust any text within your bullet list by clicking and typing directly in the editor. And if you need to upload any files from your computer to accompany your list, look for the upload option in your app. Typically, there will be an upload from your computer button, allowing you to attach documents, images, or any other files relevant to your message. Finally, type in your bulleted messages, review your list for any adjustments you might want to make, ensuring accuracy and clarity. Once you're satisfied, your bulleted message is ready to be shared. With these simple steps, you've efficiently organized your thoughts and improved communication within your team. That's all for today's video on creating bullets in Slack-like apps. Happy formatting!